Greetings, this is M Squared, and we're going to talk about how to get a linear equation into standard form. This is standard form, x and y on the left, and your numbers on the right, a and b, and c must be integers. Remember, that means no decimals, no fractions. A has to be greater than or equal to 0, which means a can't be negative. B and c, it's okay for them to be negative, but a has to be positive or 0, and a and b can't be 0 at the same time, which it won't happen in these examples. If a and b were both 0, you'd get 0 equals something else, so usually that's not happening. So x and y on the same side, and these two are the ones you really need to worry about. So usually the directions will say get it in standard form and identify a, b, and c. So the first thing we want to do is get the x to the other side. So we minus 3x from both sides. We get negative 3x plus y equals negative 8. Then we check to see if they're integers. Negative 3, 1, and negative 8 are all integers. So we check to see if a is negative. It is. So we have to make it positive. The easiest way to do that is to multiply the whole equation, everything, by negative 1. So when you multiply both sides by negative 1, it gets rid of the negative on the a. And it changes all the signs. So there it is. Then it wants to know what a is, what b is, what c is. Here's where we are identifying a, b, and c. Remember, a is the coefficient, or the number in front of the x. B is the coefficient in front of y. And c is our constant, or number. Okay, that one's done. Let's go to the next one. We don't have x and y on the same side, so we're going to move the 5x over to the left side. And when we do that, we get 5x plus 2y. Remember, these aren't combinable. They're not like terms. Hopefully you remember that. So now they're all integers, but this is negative again. So we have to multiply by negative 1 again. And when we do, all the signs change. And so now we're ready for our a, b, and c. A is 5, the coefficient of x. The coefficient of y is negative 2. And the constant is 3. Next, got to get the y over there this time. So we minus 3y from both sides. When we do that, we get negative 4x minus 3y is equal to 12. Again, no fractions. In the next lesson, I go over the ones that have fractions in them. But we've got to get rid of that negative. So again, remember, we multiply by a negative 1, which changes all the signs. And so a is 4, the coefficient of x is 4. Coefficient of y, or b, is 3, and the constant, or c, is negative 12. And that's how you get linear equations in standard form. Good luck. M Squared signing out.